Oromo King Charles III notimo limbe ne mokwongo e od bura ka jood bura chiwo te mage mag lit kod kuyo ne anyuola kod jogo ma osebedo machiegni kod Malkia mosenindo. Negi singo luwo lai to kod kit telo mane Malkia onyiso ka ochiwore ne tich kendo rito demokrasia mar piny mar Ingresa. Oporo ne okudhi ka thumbe kod asili bende nopong'o yamo e kinde ma King Charles ne omolo Westminster Hall.
I stand before you today, I cannot help but feel the weight of history which surrounds us and which reminds us of the vital parliamentary traditions to which members of both houses dedicate yourselves with such personal commitment for the betterment of us all. Parliament is the living and breathing instrument of our democracy. That your traditions are ancient, we see in the construction of this great hall. My lords and members of the House of Commons, we gather today in remembrance of the remarkable span of the Queen's dedicated service to her nations and peoples. While very young, Her late Majesty pledged herself to serve her country and her people and to maintain the precious principles of constitutional government which lie at the heart of our nation.